In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop sportswear in Depop. Let's jump right in and make your search smooth, focused, and fun. Start by heading to depop.com in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look at the main navigation and find the sports section. Clicking there takes you straight into the sportswear experience, so you're not sifting through unrelated items. Inside sports, you can browse by category. This is helpful if you already know what you want, like jerseys, jackets, sweats, or accessories. Categories let you narrow the vibe quickly and keep your results relevant, which saves a lot of time. If you love the throwback look, check out the vintage area. Vintage pieces often have unique graphics, older tags, and that lived-in feel many collectors look for. It's perfect when you want something with history and character instead of current season releases. You can also shop by league. This is great if you're a dedicated fan or buying a gift. Select your preferred league to instantly filter to items tied to those teams, so you're only seeing pieces that match your fandom. If you want to expand your view, click See All Sportswear. This gives you the widest selection and is ideal when you're open to exploring different styles, teams, and eras without committing to a specific path yet. From there, use the filters to dial things in. Start with brands, pick your favorites to get results that match your quality expectations and sizing familiarity. It also helps surface items that fit your personal style. Next, set a price range. Adding a minimum and maximum keeps you on budget and prevents distractions from items outside your comfort zone. It's also a quick way to spot deals within your preferred bracket. You can filter by condition too. Choose the level that works for you, whether you want something like new or are comfortable with gentle wear. This keeps surprises to a minimum once you find a piece you love. As you open listings, check the size carefully. Read the size field and the description for any notes on fit or measurements. For vintage or unisex items, measurements like pit to pit or length are extra helpful. Compare those to a similar piece you own to make sure the fit is right. If condition matters to you, take a close look at the photos and description. Zoom in to inspect logos, seams, and collars, and read any notes about flaws or repairs. And to keep your search consistent, make sure you've applied the condition filter before you continue browsing. That way, everything you see aligns with your preferences. That's it. Simple steps, clear filters, and smarter browsing to find the best sportswear on Depop.